Okay, so we got most of the floor sanded. I put resin down over the floor and also more resin and fiberglass over this ski locker. Total Bone resin is what I use because it doesn't have that nauseous smell like some other resins I've used. It's
that's a big thing with me.
it cures slow because I got the slow one, so it gives me a lot of work time, and it works really great. I'm almost running low on hardener. We dumped over. Got hardener all over the garage over there.
But other than that, it's lasted through a lot of projects.
I can reuse this for more resin. But yeah, it's been working good. We're going to next video. We're going to strengthen up this ski locker hatch. We're going to do some work on the bottom of it. Right now, it's really gnarly looking because I was being hasty in my reinforcement of it.
Yeah, and I said it needs to be a little bit more prettier and more sturdier.
It's got to be pretty. The ladies like it pretty.
Well, mostly sturdy. It needs to be more sturdy. So.
More sturdy. Because well, she doesn't move it, but when I walk on it, it's still a little creaky. And then after we do that, we're going to come in and we're going to paint all this white. And we're going to use a kind of a deck paint with a stuff you pour in there to make it firm and hard. I mean,
it's for boats.
It's for boats.
It's not deck paint for your outside deck. No, it's for boats.
it's top paint. So, and then there's an additive we're going to put in that's going to make this where you don't slip.
Right.
That's going to be a lot of fun.
It's like a non-slip. It's got like some kind of grain thing in there or something.
Yes, ma'am. So we're sorry that.
My idea.
Yes, she doesn't like to slip. But we're sorry that videos have been slow on the boat project. We've had HOA grass. You can see them videos where we're putting in new sod and we're actually doing a year-long review with True Green. We had
grass is looking great.
It is.
So we're very happy about that. So we're like, boat time.
Yeah, so we have to get this bow in the water. And then I had to do some work on the Lincoln because we're getting rid of that car. And I can't get rid of a broken car. It wasn't really broken.
Oh, just needs some maintenance.
Just needed some TLC. And so, I replaced bearings on that and did some other things. You can see the videos for that as well. It's a pretty sharp car though. And then we're going to paint the inside of this boat after I got that reinforced.
I'm excited. Oh, I so want to see the beauty of it.
Me too.
Paint makes things beautiful.
I want to see it on the water.
Oh, I'm excited about that. We're hoping. What are we hoping for, babe? No laughing, no. We're hoping our anniversary, which is on August 16th.
Yes.
We're hoping we can get this finished, but
that'll be 22 years of marriage. She's put up with me for 22 years, guys. And also be sure to check out recipes with Danielle, Dining In with Danielle. Some great recipes released every week. This one is really yummy. I really like it, so y'all check it out. I'll leave a link. I have links down below. You can go either to diningwithdanielle.com or you can go to Chris Does What. It takes you to the same place, but Dining with Danielle takes you straight to the recipes and the yummy goodness. You can see what I wrote, but I think recently I was writing on how to stop pop-up blockers or ad blockers from browsing your content. Because the way we make money on these videos and content we provide is through ads. And of course Amazon affiliations and other affiliations we may have.
So it's like a what? How-to?
It's like a how-to,
Like a how-to.
yes. And you know, I was a technical writer and project manager with IBM, Verizon, Terramark, and all kinds of hosting
helping
and
out with our
stuff.
business.
And now I'm doing hosting for Dining with Danielle.
Right. And
Well-
ChrisDoesWhat.com.
And Danielle over here, she has her fashion merchandising degree and her fashion design, and she is very creative. And her recipes are awesome. Some delicious yumminess, and she develops all the recipes in that kitchen back there.
Self-taught. Well, kind of self-taught since I was a child.
Yeah.
My mom had a lot to do with it, but then, you know, expanded. So that's where
I-
this knowledge is coming from my childhood.
I love being the recipe guinea pig. It makes my day. So, y'all check out that, and sorry we babbled towards the end, but
Just trying to tell you some things that we're doing and
get to know us and things
still
like that.
around. We're just working hard at a lot of different things.
We are. And many different things, many different directions, and hopefully
And a lot of stuff coming.
a lot of stuff coming. So y'all stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you like this video. Hit that little bell for that ad reminder.
Yeah.
If you like this video, hit that like button. Also down there, looks like this. And y'all please take care.